Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Muhammad Yunus and I am Odoo technical developer. In the previous video we have discussed that how we can create a PDF report, but in today's video we are going to talk about how to print this report in a specific language. By default Odoo PDF reports support multiple languages, so like whatever language is activated for the user, the report will be printed in that specific language. So in this case the user language is English, therefore the report will print in English. But if I change the language to Arabic and try to print the report, it will give me the report in Arabic. So whatever language is selected here for the user, it will print the report in the language. So what if I want to print this report in a specific language? For example, I want to print this report in like this responsible language. So whatever the responsible user is selected here, I want to print the report in that specific language. So for this case, what I need to do is to modify the report to make it compatible. So in order to do so, first of all, we need to get the language of this user, and then we need to pass it to the template. So what we need to do is to create another template like this. So let me just copy this code like this and close the tags, sorry, like this and this one. Okay, so here we will change the template ID for this. This will remain the same because this is the template that needs to be called from the report. Okay, and here we need to change it to something like document, and we will call this template here like t call, and here we need to write the name of the module, which is OD Open Academy dot this template like this. So, and we have already added this HTML container and this for loop, so we need to we don't need it again, so we can remove this from here. And also we will remove these extra tags, just add the indentation again for this like this. So whenever we print this report, it will give us the same result that we have. So now we want to make it compatible, like to print it in a specific language that we want. So here I will first get the language of the user. So for this purpose I will get like a t set is equal to, so I need to define a variable name here, which is language, and then I need to assign the value to this variable, which will be like o dot here the field for this responsible is responsible ID. So I will get it like responsible ID dot lang. So lang is actually the field name. Let me check what is the field name for the language. So here it says lang. So here the lang is actually the name of the field that is defined for language on the user. So this is it. We need to get it, and then we need to pass this to the template with the keyword tlang. Okay, which will be lang. So here we need to pass the variable which is defined here. So this will make this template in that specific language that is defined on this user. And here we need to get we need to add one thing, where like we need to add this specific record. Like for each record we need to make it in that specific language which we passed here. So for this purpose we need to redefine it, t and t set equal to o, and then we need to assign the value, which will be o dot with context. Okay, so in the context we need to pass this parameter, like language will be language that we just passed. Okay, so this is the language that is passed here. So this will make each record like it will return each record in that specific language, and it will show us the values in that specific language. So let me just upgrade the module and show the result to you. Okay, so in order to upgrade the module, we need to go to the apps as usual, and then we need to click the upgrade button to upgrade it. So after the module upgrade, you will see the result. Okay, thank you. So the module has been upgraded, and let's try to print the report. So print the report and you will see the result. Okay, so here it is. Here is the report. So you can see the report has been in the specified language that is defined for this user. And let me show you the language that is specified for this user is Arabic. So it shows you the translation, the terms that were translated in the previous video. These terms were translated, but the terms that are not yet translated shows in the English. So this is, if you don't know how to translate these terms, you can watch our previous videos in which we discussed how you can translate these terms. But this is it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give a huge thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. This means a lot for us. Thank you.